Are you tired of your current gaming rig making you feel like you're stuck in the pixelated Stone Age? Fear not, fellow gamer. Whether you're battling dragons, building empires, or just trying to crush your friends in an epic showdown, having the right gaming PC can make all the difference. Join us as we dive into the realm of the best gaming PCs, where performance meets power and loading times become a distant memory. Get ready to unleash your inner gaming beast. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. STGAubron AMD Radeon RX 580, our pick for best budget gaming PC. Are you ready to level up your gaming experience without breaking the bank? Meet the STGAubron AMD Radeon RX 580, the ultimate budget-friendly gaming machine. This isn't just another tower gathering dust in the corner. It's your ticket to adrenaline-pumping adventures, epic multitasking, and smooth streaming. With an Intel Core i7 processor clocking in at a breezy 3.4 GHz, you can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless gameplay. The Ryzen RX 580 graphics card ensures your visuals are as stunning as your skills. Prepare for jaw-dropping graphics that'll make your friends green with envy. Need to juggle a bit of work between quests? No problem! The 16GB cache size has you covered, whether you're photo and video editing, day trading, or streaming your latest high score. And with 512GB of memory storage, all those glorious gaming downloads and business files will have a cozy home. Plus, with memory slots available to expand from 1 to 4, it's a system that grows as you do, or as your gaming library grows. You're not just getting a computer, you're getting a versatile powerhouse that can handle it all, from epic boss battles to video chats and everything in between. So why wait? Gear up and embark on your gaming journey equipped with the STGAubron RX 580. Your wallet will thank you. Number 4. HP Pavilion, our pick for best compact gaming PC. Are you ready to level up your gaming experience without sacrificing space? Meet the HP Pavilion, your new compact gaming powerhouse. With a sleek design that screams cool and fits snugly into any nook. This tower is not just easy on the eyes, it's packed with features that'll have you gaming like a pro. Powered by the snappy 10th generation Intel Core i3-10100 processor, this baby zips along at a whopping 4.3 GHz, ensuring your gaming sessions are smoother than your favorite character's epic moves. Plus, with 8GB of DDR4 RAM, you can juggle browsing, streaming, and gaming like a wizard casting spells. Talk about multitasking magic! You don't just get any graphics here, you'll be dazzled by the stunning visuals from the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. Armed with 4GB of graphics DDR6 dedicated memory, real-time ray tracing? Check. Eye-popping graphics? Double check. This rig is 4K ready, so your gaming will look as fabulous as you feel when you clinch that victory. And let's not forget the cherry on top. Customizable LED lights to make your setup as unique as your gaming style. Want to optimize your system? The OMEN Command Center has got your back. So gear up and get ready to dominate in style with the HP Pavilion, where gaming meets flair in the most epic way. Still searching for the perfect gaming PC? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR, our pick for best Intel gaming PC. Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience? Meet the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR, the ultimate Intel gaming rig that's here to turn your virtual battles into epic victories. With Windows 11 Home, you'll dive headfirst into the latest titles, seamlessly blending performance with eye-popping graphics. Powered by a Core i5 processor clocking in at a zippy 2.5 GHz, this beast doesn't just play games, it conquers them. Need to stash away all those AAA titles and indie gems? You've got a generous 1 TB of storage to keep your library thriving. Plus, with 4 available memory slots, upgrading down the line is as easy as leveling up your character. Don't settle for basic visuals. This powerhouse comes with a dedicated graphics card, ensuring that every pixel bursts to life with stunning clarity and detail. Whether you're battling fierce monsters or exploring vast worlds, your gameplay will be smooth enough to satisfy any gamer's appetite for speed and precision. And let's talk about style. The tempered side case panel and custom RGB lighting mean your setup will look just as good as it performs. You're not just gaming, you're making a statement. So gear up and get ready to game like a pro with the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR, where every session is an adventure waiting to unfold. Number 2, Thermaltake LCGS Glacier 460, our pick for best liquid-cooled gaming PC. Are you ready to tackle the digital battlegrounds with the finesse of a pro gamer? Meet the Thermaltake LCGS Glacier 460, the ultimate liquid-cooled gaming rig that's as cool as you are. With a slick AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU humming away at 3.7 GHz, your gaming performance just hit new heights. No frame drop or lag is acceptable in your world, and with this powerhouse, you won't even get a hiccup. Now let's talk graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 is your dedicated sidekick, ready to render stunning visuals while you pummel your enemies into virtual oblivion. Who needs reality when you have 1 terabyte of pure gameplay storage, ready to house every epic moment and those sneak peeks into new realms? Memory, you ask? The Glacier 460 has you covered with 4 available slots. Plenty of room to expand and never miss a beat when you're head-to-head with the competition. The design is not just a treat for the eyes either. With a power supply unit power cover that features a filtered ventilated vertical side mount, this tower isn't just a pretty face. It's breathing easy while keeping things cool under pressure. So, if you want a game like a boss, the Thermaltake LCGS Glacier 460 is your ticket to the top. Grab yours and elevate your gaming adventure like never before. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Skytech King 95, our pick for best gaming PC overall. Are you ready to elevate your gaming escapades to legendary status? Meet the Skytech King 95, your new digital throne. With Windows 11 at your command, you're not just playing games. You're entering an immersive realm where your skills can shine at their brightest. Powered by a rapid-fire Ryzen 7 CPU clocking in at a zippy 3.8 GHz, every move you make in your favorite titles will be supremely smooth. And let's talk graphics. Feast your eyes on the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. It doesn't just handle visuals, it transforms your gaming experience into a breathtaking journey. With a staggering 32 gigabytes of memory, you're armed and ready to multitask like a pro. Need to game and stream simultaneously? No problem. With 4 memory slots ready for action, you can upgrade your arsenal as your gaming needs evolve. Plus, don't fret about overheating during those epic marathon sessions. The high-spec AIO liquid coolers are here, tirelessly battling temps to keep your PC cool under pressure. Whether you're conquering realms or crafting masterpieces, this machine ensures you can push the limits without a hint of thermal throttling. The Skytech King 95 isn't just a gaming PC. It's an invitation to unleash your potential. It's time to claim your reign in the gaming world. Let's make your gaming dreams a reality. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best gaming PCs. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which gaming PC you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.